Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to use optimized charging on the ZTE Blade A36. First, open Settings, press scroll down and click on the little button here. Now scroll down to the battery section. And here you can see battery protection. To enable optimized charging, click on the 80% upper limit. And now your battery will serve you longer at the cost of the phone only charging up to 80%. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.